Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez, Mama Esgarit Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatigan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahaganap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this, no? Angel spirit, please give me information po. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? So this is a Hierophant, no? This is something, a lesson learned. No? May mga bagay na dapat mong natutunan. May mga bagay na dapat mong pakakatandaan. This is something separated. No? Maaaring separation for situations. No? Maaaring ilalayo ka na dito. Maaaring ilalayo ka na sa mga negativities. Ilalayo ka na from toxicities. And this is something the Four of Pentacles with the saving money. No? Kailangan matuto ka na, no? How to spend your money wisely. No? How to save your money. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's something budgeting, savings, no? And kasi sinasabi dito with the Knight of Pentacles, security. See, maging secure ka sa mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. No? Pag mag-isip ng maayos at mautak, and there's something the King of Cups may devoted for the person. Now, this is something very emotional. No? This is something person na very lovable. No? Let's see what these additional messages. And this is the word card with the travel. There's something travel, success, and of course achievements, proposal, additional messages. And of course there's an 8 of Wands, so something past communication and fast movement, and there's a double clarification with the travel. 8 of Wands is also a travel. 8 of Wands, something email, messages, phone call na matatanggap mo. So let's see what is the Hierophant. The Hierophant represents the wheel of fortune with a good luck. Now, this is something turning back to your favor. Now, iikot ng kapalaran for you. Matuto ka na kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo para hindi na bumalik ulit, no? Ang eksena. This is something cycle. No? Kung matututo ka kung paano mo palalaguin, paiikutin ng eksena mo, no? Hindi na maulit manunumbalik yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan na nagdulot sa iyo ng sakit at sakripisyo at paghihirap. No? Matuto ka na kung ano man yung mga bagay na nagbigay komplikasyon, nagbigay ng mga kamalian, or nagbigay ng mga bagay na nag-sink in sa'yo, no? Kaya paulit-ulit yung nangyayari, no? Nag-sink in sa'yo na bakit nangyayari to, lahat ng ganyan, ganito, ganyan. Kasi may mali ka pa sa sistema na kailangan baguhin. Kaya paulit-ulit yun ang nangyayari na yun kasi hindi ka natututo. So, kailangan mong matuto, no? Let's see what is the Four of Pentacles. So, this is the Ten of Wands, na? So, ibig sabihin nito, this is something obligation or responsibilities, no? May mga responsibilidad ka na kailangan mong protection at pangalagaan ng sarili mo. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles. So, this is something that King of Wands by choices, no? Kumaga ikaw yung pipili, no, ng kahihinat na ng eksena mo, no? Dapat tinitignan mo dito, or something ambition, or visualize, no? Anything na kailangan maging secure ka sa mga bagay na kung ano man na meron ka, para nang sa ganun, hindi mawala, no, yung bagay na yon. And this is something, the Eight of Swords, there's a lot of toxicities around you. Na maraming toxic sa paligid mo, maraming toxic with your families, na kailangan maging ano ka, devoted dun sa person mo, no? Or sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, or even dito sa relationship, no? Alam mo kung paano mo pangalagaan ang yung mahal sa buhay, or mahal, yung minamahal mo, no? Partner mo, no? And of course, the word card represent what? The Magician. This is something, power of God with a manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na ma-manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na magsasuccess, no? So let's see what is the Eight of Wands. 8 of Wands to represent the 6 of Swords with the transition, at makakaalis ka na sa situation. May trouble talaga ako nasa-sense dito guys, no? Trouble by local or international. Additional messages with a Hierophant, because the Wheel of Fortune. nire-represent the star card for a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad. Wish coming true to with the star card, and healing, and of course, recovery. What is the Four of Pentacles, and of course, the Ten of Wands? Represent with Knight of Pentacles with the security and practicality. So, this is something slowly but surely. No, kumbaga, unti-unti lang naman yan. Hindi naman yan mabibigla, no? Na kailangan mo na lang talagang matutunan, no? Kung paano mo papangalagaan ang sarili mo. You are also provider or something family-oriented or kumbaga ano ka dito, breadwinner, no? But eventually kailangan matuto ka ng limitahan, no? Ang mga pagtulong na yan, no? Kasi there's something responsible sa lahat ng mga bagay. At kumbaga may responsibility ka rather, but kailangan mo rin tutukan yung sarili mo, no? Self-love, self-care. So the Knight of Cups and the Eight of Swords are represented with the Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka na, no? Magtatagumpay ka na. There's something breakthrough. The two of us have something choices, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na pipiliin mo na dito, no? Kumbaga there's a lot of toxicities around you. Pipili ka na yung mga bagay na alam mong pang matagalan. Now, what you deserve. And of course, kung ano yung magdeserve sa'yo sa huli. And of course, there's a word card because a magician. Represent what? Represent the chart card. You need to take an action for this, no? May pagkilos at may paggalaw na dito, no? Kumbaga unti-unti nang dadalo yung eksena dito with the power of God, no? This is something a God will. Talagang this is something a line up. Naka-line up na talaga yung mga bagay na magaganap. And this is the word card with the travel and of course success. What is the Eight of Wands and of course the Six of Swords, no? So this is the Four of Wands by celebration. Double clarification na magkakaroon talaga ng celebration, homecoming, family gathering. So, let's see guys, now what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome dito guys is something the Eight of Pentacles, no? Kumbaga, collaboration, focus, being dedicated sa ginagawa mo, no? Hindi ka nagpapa-apekto, and this is something the Two of Pentacles with a balance. Keep yourself balanced, no? Maging balance ka, emotional, practical, physical. So, let's see guys, now what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa career and finances? So, this is the Devil card. Oh my God. There's a negative energy with that page of cards. Something intuitions, no? Pagdating sa negosyo, hanap buhay mo dito, mayroong something na sumisira ng iyong finances. No? Ginagawan ka dito para bumagal ang iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. No? Hindi ka mapakali, hindi ka kumbaga, balisa ka. This is something Seven of Swords by sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. No? Mayroon dito sumusubaybay at kumukuha ng impormasyon. Mag-ingat ka dito, ha? Kasi may something na, meron ako nasisend dito with may nasisend ako dito with, parang, ma-hallucinate ka, parang dadasalan ka something like that para masunod-sunuran ka, ganon. Mag-ingat ka, no? Parang hypnotize. And this is the Queen of Wands by confident. Kailangan lakas naman loob mo, maging matapang ka, ha? And this is the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. Mag-harvest ka dito, mag-ingat ka ha. Baga yung ipon mo mailabas dahil dito sa tao na to. Mag-ingat ka, baka mabudol ka guys, no? Additional messages tayo with love life. So this is a page of one something good news. May magandang balita ha. Napaparating sa iyo, and this is a temperance for a perfect timing for you. No, talagang nakalaan talaga kayo para sa isa't isa. No, maaari pinagtagpo kayo ng tadhana. At maaaring kayo talaga sa huli. And there's the lovers. I told you so. This is something higher level commitment. Kumbaga magkakaroon talaga kayo ng something bliss. No? Kumbaga intimacy sa isa't isa. Let's see additional messages tayo. Pagdating naman sa health. Sa health mo, this is an Eight of Cups. No? There's something letting go. No? And moving on. Or kailangan mo ditong mag-cleansing, mag-wash out ng negativities. And this is the Hierophant. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga binibigay na pagkain, ha? Meron ako na sense dito na offer na pagkain, baka gawan ka ng eksena dito. No? Para magsunod-sunuran ka nga, and this is something in negativities, no? Maaring gawan ka ng health issues. Mag-ingat po guys, no? There's an 888 ako na represent dito with the wealth, no? May 888 numbers, angel's number, na represent the success and wealth. And of course, this is something abundance. So let's see what is a magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? Birthday. So, pagdating ng birthday mo or maaring nasagot na ang iyong kahilingan ng birthday mo, and this is something, do some research, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo pang matutunan at kailangan ka pang tumuklas sa mga panibagong eksena. no? Magkakaroon ka ng mga panibagong opportunities. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a change. Unti-unti na magbabago, unti-unti na mag-iiba, lahat ng mga bagay na nagaganap or magaganap. And there's a retreat. Diba? Take charge of your situation or disconnect from the world. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa mundong ginagalawan mo, no? Sa mga tao na sa paligid mo. Kasi may mga tao dyan na toxic or something na parang parasites, ganun yun na sense ko na parang andyan lang kapag may napapakinabangan. And this is something speaking truth na pinapalabas na ditong katotohanan. No, lalabas ang katotohanan dito, guys. Additional messages with the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Yin and Yang Oracle card, nire-represent tayo dito with an angel spirit. And there's an alchemy with ancestor guides. Na mayroon ka ditong gabay na maaaring ginagabayan ka. And because there's a something unity, may pagkakaisa. And because this is something air with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong combination with your first zone na maaaring Gemini, Libra, Aquarius yung person mo or maaaring, kumbaga, may related sa'yo dito. And there's a stability and flow. No? Dadaloy na yung eksena dito. Unti-unti nang dadaloy lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo, no? Na magdadala sa'yo ng stability. Romance Angels represent about sa Mystic Love Oracle deck. There's a something single. Na meron ditong single and not in relationship. And there's a soulmate connections. Meron ditong soulmate and everlasting promises. Meron naman ditong there's a something travel. May travel talaga, guys, ha? Maaaring magtatagpo kayo with international, no? May nakalaan sa inyo with an international, ganun. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Dandelion, no? And perseverance, no? Kailangan mo magtiyaga. And there's a flexible. Kailangan maging flexible ka sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi pwedeng, kumbaga, there's a something weirdness na parang kung ayaw mo doon sa tao. Kailangan open ka, no? For all person. Ganon. Kailangan mong tumanggap ng mga advices and opportunities, no? Na binibigyan ng ibang tao. Even, parang mag-entertain, yes. But kailangan mong i-evaluate ng maayos, no? And this is something trouble. Oh my God, oh my God, 4 na beses kina-clarify dito with the travel. May travel ka talaga. And there's a transformation. Unti-unti na magbabago, unti-unti na mag-iiba ang lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. Magkakaroon dito ng pagbabago. At ito pagbabago na ito magdadaan sa isa magandang eksena. So let's see what is additional messages with Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael, this is your life purpose. Ito yung purpose mo sa buhay, ha? Para maliwanagan lahat ng to. And this is go forward fearlessly. Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan. Ganon. Additional messages. And focus upon divine perfect health. So, kailangan mo mag-focus sa health mo. Additional messages with an angel's answer. Don't stop, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, huwag kang titigil. Dapat laban na laban ka. And there's a forgiveness, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo magpatawad. Basta matuto ka na lang, no? Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo. Kumbaga, pwede mo silang patawarin, pero huwag ka na ulit magpapabudol. Ganon. And wait. Kumbaga, hantayin mo na lang yung mga opportunity darating sa'yo. Kasi ibabagsak mismo yan sa harap mo. Hindi na siya pilit, no? Parang ibibigay na siya ng kusa. For the chakra, there's a passion, no? Gawin mo yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo. And this is something enlightened, na maliliwanagan ka at magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito in all aspect. And there's a workaholic. Basta tumuto ka lang sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. So let's see what is the energy. What is the energy represent what? And there's a first chakra Archangel Michael for protections. Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And there's a possible, just it possible. Na mayroon ditong, kumbaga, may mga pinto ang magbubukas at may mga pinto ang magsasara sa'yo na bago opportunity. And there's a deceit. Mag-ingat ka, may mangkukulam talaga dito, guys. Mayroon ditong, kumbaga, nag-ano, no? Na parang, it's either gayuma to, no? Para magsunod-sunuran ka, ganon. For romance angels, for Monsology, hold your vision. Panghawakan mo yung intuitions mo dito, yung gut feeling mo. Even your conclusions, no? A new start is coming. Talagang masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo at this is the moment na para magsisimula ka ng panibagong eksena. And don't let pride get in your way. No? Alisin mo yung pride, yung ego, drama, alisin mo yan. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Health, no? Maaring magkaroon ka na ng health freedom dito. Maaring gumaling ka na sa iyong karamdaman. And there's a discipline. O, sige, kailangan mo lang ng konting disiplina. And judgment, paalala. No? May mga paalala sa iyong ating angel spirit. na you need to pay attention kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa isa kasalukuyan na kailangan mo ng mabago, no? Yung mga bagay o nakasanayan mo. And this is something heart-to-heart conversation. No? Pagdating sa love life, kailangan ng heart-to-heart conversation. And this is something calling your soulmate. Tinatawagan na yung soulmate mo dito, guys. Maaaring makilala mo siya o nakilala mo na. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And of course, this is something time to decide. No? Kailangan mo na mag-decision ngayon na. And author, ikaw yung gagawa ng ikabubuti mo at magpapabago sa landasin mo. No? Kumbaga, you can create the situation and you have the power to change it. No? So, let's see what is Arcang Raphael messages. And exercise is the key. So, kailangan mo rin na exercise, guys, ha? Additional messages with an angel spirit. And because this is something called soul gift, training, it's time to step up. No, kailangan mo nang gumising sa katotohanan na kumaga isang hakbangin lang yung proseso na papunta sa tagumpay. And there's something activated earth. Power places, ibibigay sa iyo kung saan ka talaga kung saan talaga paglalagyan mo or kung saan ka talaga ipupwesto or kung saan ka talaga ilalagay ng ating poong may kapal, no? Kung saan ang kalalagyan mo. And those shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Mahalin mo ang ating Panginoon sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa, no? Sa madaling salita, gawin mong sentro ang ating Panginoon. Ganon. For the angels number, represent what? 1919 for cycle. Ito yung sinasabi ko, sistema. And this will be a karma. Karma will be paying off you a visit, release that need to control because you can not for things, learn your lessons so that they don't repeat it again in the future. Make some space for new experiences. See, I told you so. Kung ayaw mo maulit yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan, matuto ka na. No? Kung ayaw mo nga maibalik ka ulit sa sitwasyon mo, matuto ka na. Dahil ang nangyayari sa iyo, pabalik-balik ka sa sitwasyon dahil hindi ka natututo sa lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong natutunan. No, this is something cycle. Baguhin ang sistema. Let's see what is the messages of life. The inner alchemist. Like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and a harmony. Today, through my positive thoughts, words, and deeds, I create my own light. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intention so that transform myself in this way and some way. An alchemist transform lead into gold. Today, I create a happiness. So, ikaw yung gagawa na ikaliligaya mo, no? Kumbaga, ikaw yung gagawa na ikaayos ang buhay mo. Kung ikaw ay hindi aayusin ang sistema mo o ginagalawan mo, walang mababago sa sistema mo at sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo, ang mga pagkakamali na nagagawa, pwedeng maulit-ulit yan, no? At maulit-ulit yan sa hinaharap mo, kaya matuto ka ng humarap at baguhin ang maling sistema at maling gawain. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!